So in this video, we're going to, or this next section, we're going to bring in the upstream valley information. Again, if you didn't know how to enter the data, you can read these little help buttons here. And so on this one, it says the first point listed here should be the end point of the upstream valley on the left side of the stream bed as you're looking downstream. Okay? And so what we're going to do is we're going to go back to our SS4 survey information. And our upstream valley section is right here. And again, it says you're supposed to enter this from the left to the right as we're looking downstream. And so if we look at this information, we got point 1579, point 1578. And so let's go ahead and take a look at how this is going to enter. I'm going to just go ahead and click on the upstream valley section. Again, I'm going to go down to the edit point feature. It's going to bring up the survey details pane. I'm going to highlight the data. Again, I'm going to click in the column area over here, report on selected items. Again, I'm going to go to the survey points table, and again, I'm going to convert this to a Microsoft Excel because then I can go in there and cut and paste into my spreadsheet. So I'm going to go down to export to Microsoft Excel. I'm going to select the data. I'm going to right click and copy. I'm going to go back to my spreadsheet. Again, since I'm bringing over point names, I'm going to select the first row, row number 1, and I'm going to select in the point name area. I'm going to right click and I'm going to paste. Okay. Now again, the data, the little help comment here says the first point listed here should be the end point of the upstream valley section on the left side of the stream bed. And so let's just see if we did that. This is point 1549. If I remember correctly from my DGN file, that point over here was 1579. So all we have to do is invert this section. So we're going to go ahead and invert it. And there's 1579 and then 7877. So this data is now entered in properly into the spreadsheet. So now we're going to go ahead and visualize the upstream valley profile. See what that looks like. You can see here's the elevation and station, and that looks good. So we're going to go ahead and return back to the main page. Now to get the station in here, this station is the intersection point between the stream bed and this upstream valley section. And if you can't remember that, just again look at the help comment, and it'll kind of state that that it is the intersection between the stream bed and the upstream valley section on the stream bed. And so what we're going to do is we're going to go back to our survey file, and we need to locate that point there. Now, the way I locate the point with SS4 data is I'm going to go ahead and I'm in the bridge survey file, and I'm going to go up to my Civil AccuDraw and turn it on. I'm going to make sure I have the station offset option. Again, I'm going to go start some horizontal tool. And the other thing I'm going to do is, because I want the intersection, I'm going to go to my MicroStation snap button bar and bring that out. I'm going to toggle on and make default the intersection snap. And now I need to make that center line chain as my focal point for this Civil AccuDraw. So I'm going to hit the O button again and select that chain. Okay, so you can see how it's offsetting from that stream bed, and it also has the station value. So now all I'm going to do is, since I have my intersect snap turned on, I'm just going to go over and hover over that, and we get the station value of 39, 64, and then 49. 39 plus 64.49. And so that's all there is to getting the station value from the SS4 data.